Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your passport validity and current visa expiry. This determines eligibility and timing. Next, scan your passport biographical page and a compliant photo and collect proof of funds and travel details. Create or sign into your IRC Secure account and enable two-step verification so you can submit and later track the application. Once signed in, select Extend a Visitor Status and begin the online form. Follow prompts and save frequently to avoid losing progress. You now complete the online form. Enter IMM 5708 information exactly as shown on your passport and explain reason for extension concisely. Upload each document in the required format and size: passport scan, photo, bank statements, and any invitation or travel itinerary. Make sure file names are simple and visible. If a file fails, convert or compress it. When prompted, pay the visitor record fee online and save the receipt. Attach the receipt to your application and you submit the application and immediately record the application number and confirmation. This is your proof and tracking key. After submission, monitor your IRC account daily for messages requesting biometrics, additional documents, or corrections. If biometrics are required, book promptly and keep receipts. If processing stalls or you receive a refusal-like notice, use the IRC web form with your application number to ask for status or to upload missing documents. Keep calm and respond quickly to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.